In this video, I'm going to show you how to add moving average on TradingView. So it's actually easy, right? So what you're going to do is just go to the indicator on your TradingView chart. You can simply just use your browser or the app. They are all the same thing. So click on this indicator. After I click on it, search for moving average exponential, moving average. So you are going to see this one because I've already set this as my favorite, that's why you see there. But just click on this, click on it, it will automatically show, as you can see this. And also you can just style it so that you can able to see it as your favorite. As you can see here, is it? So also you can also click on this drop down arrow to see all the indicator that you have added to your TradingView chart. I add session and moving average exponential. So if you want to remove them, you can simply just go to this object and tree at the top right corner, then can just come to this EMA and click on delete or remove. And that's it. Hope you find this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.